Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to share with you all my current skincare routine for monsoon. So I hardly spend about 5 minutes to complete the skincare routine. Now let me tell you one thing, that I don't stick to any particular skincare routine. It changes from time to time based on weather and current skin condition. But anyways, the one that I'm going to show you works great on all skin types and it will leave your skin glowing and youthful. So let's find out. So my skincare routine starts with cleansing. During monsoon, I avoid using face wash in the morning. I use a mild cleansing milk. So I use Bulgarian Rose Auto Glow Cleansing Milk from Scent Botanica. It gently removes dirt and toxins without disturbing the natural mantle of my skin. So I spread the cleansing milk on face and neck and gently rub for 10 to 15 seconds. First, I wipe off with a moist cotton pad and then rinse it off with water. Leaves my skin supple, moisturized and super clean, and it smells lovely. Then I use a tiny amount of aloe vera gel from Body Alchemy. I just super love this aloe vera gel. It has aloe vera gel plus vitamin E. It's very lightweight, absorbs quickly with no sticky residue. It leaves skin smooth, hydrated and brings a soft, youthful glow. And also I have noticed there is a pretty good reduction in pigmentation spots. Then I use Biotic Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer. Now this Ayurvedic recipe has some amazing stuff in it. It has pure honey, nectar, wheat germ, seaweed and fenugreek. It's super hydrating, soothes and calms irritated skin, leaves skin refreshed, and also the smell of this moisturizer is refreshing and mesmerizing. It also keeps skin blemish free. Then I use my daily sunscreen lotion. Now this is again from Biotic. It is Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Sunscreen with 30 plus SPF and with UVA and UVB protection. Now this sunscreen is free of all irritants and suitable even for sensitive skin. It softens and brightens skin. It doesn't clog pores. Wearing sunscreen every day will help your skin maintain a healthier and flawless look. Then I use 2 to 3 drops of any one of these natural oils. So either I use Evid Vitamin E oil or jojoba oil. It seals in moisture. It makes your skin look more firm, smooth fine lines and leaves your skin looking and feeling healthy, radiant and young. Finally, I use a lip balm. It comes with SPF 50 enriched with shea butter, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil and also with a powerful lip plumping active that make lips fuller and plumper. So this completes my skincare routine. So I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button below. So take care and bye.